So this is the global action for the reorder and remove for the BBC filtering. So this is global action. And you can see over here, here's the BBC with the chiclet and the side scrollable tabs here. And then if you were to click on, this chiclet down here, which is the filter mechanism, and the currently active filter method is shown here. So this is the default one, and the menu will pop up over top of it. So it goes by default by relevance, but we can have any number of other filtering methods shown here. So we could have favorites, we could have your past purchases, the popularity amongst your network, ordered A to Z, and then this last one is custom. So this custom one is our ability for the user to customize both the horizontal scroll of the tabs, what is shown in those, as well as the order of those. So that's what the remove and reorder really is. So each one of the items that have a check are these item names would be going across. So it would be grocery, clothing, home. So going down the list, so grocery, clothing, home, down the screen. So left to right, top to bottom. And if I wanted to, for example, remove home, I would then go and uncheck actually, the list item over here. And then I would save it and it would be removed. So that would be a custom filtering mechanism. I can also do a click and drag of each of these to reorder the list. So this is the universal symbol for kind of a reorder capability. If I click or tap and drag or click and drag those in the list, that is possible to then order it how I want from top to bottom, left to right. Certain tabs or certain BBC elements will not be customizable, like the baseline or base level, so that we won't allow that capability, but others we can offer the ability to customize the information within it. By default, we will have it in the most logical way that we believe it should be, following the node system, but the user themselves can reorder it the way they want, the way they like to shop. Let's say you're a vegetarian and you never purchase or meats and seafood, so you could just remove that completely from your list, and then you never have to look at it. You don't have to scroll by that to get to what you really want to. So it allows the user to customize the interface and the navigation structure to their needs and to their specifications. So once you have things configured how you want them ordered, you can turn on and off. So for example, if it is unchecked, we then lighten the color of both the icon over here and the word. And so once you're happy with it, you hit done. This icon would then change to that that icon up here. So this would let them know this is a customized view. And if they wanted to look at some other method, they could come in here and they could change it to relevance or purchases. They could change it to whatever they want. But if they were to go back to custom, it retains that last state. So if I went in and edited this stuff, then went back to relevance, and then went back to custom, it would be the same. It would still be the same customized look and structure of that, until I would go in and this cancel would change to a reset. So if I go in again if I were to customize this, I could then reset that information. We might actually decide to put a reset button up here to kind of give that visual indicator that it is already customized and they can reset it. We would want to give a confirmation of reset after they hit that button, just in case they accidentally tap it. But that would give them the ability to go in and set it back to the default custom methods. So that is the global action for remove and reorder.